Yo guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nick, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use DxTrade. Okay, so if you really want to know how to use DxTrade, this is gonna be an in-depth tutorial. I'm gonna be teaching you how to use DxTrade to open position, no close position, set your stop loss limit, your take profit limit, and to be able to execute trade and manage your trades on DxTrade. So that's what we want to see in today's video. Then let's dive right in, guys. So guys, we are in our platform. Okay, so whatever firm you are using, they're gonna give you login details to be able to log in DxTrade. So once you log in, so this is how the interface is actually gonna be looking like, and so it's also important for us to be able to do some basic settings. So I'm gonna be showing you how to like set your basic charts, how to do your trade line and everything, so you how to place positions and everything. So the first thing we are basically going to do is we're going to be so this section here over here is where you placing your buy trade and you placing your sell trade. So whatever asset you want to be placing trades on, this is the section that's actually going to be give you that option to do that. So at the top left hand corner here we have different assets that we can trade in. So you can see here the AUR, EUD, we have the Tesla, we have stocks, and yeah, a lot of assets we can actually trade. And so I'm basically gonna be taking this off. I don't need this for now. I'm basically gonna be taking this off tool as well. Then I'm gonna be dragging this down. Okay, so I'm basically gonna be taking this off so I can actually have my charts facing. I want to have a clean looking chart at the moment. So yeah, so the first thing we're basically gonna be actually set up our chart to to our own design. Okay, so basically I'm going to be taking this grid line off. I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go to colors. Okay, so sorry, I'm going to general. I'm going to take this off. Okay, take this off. I'm going to take this off. Okay, so I want to have a nice looking clean chart, so I don't want to see the watermarks on my screen. So guys, if you want to see the watermarks on your screen, it's up to you, but I don't want to be seeing the AUD, USD on my chart, so I basically don't like that. So I'm going to be taking it off. I'm taking it off. 10 candlesticks, no, yeah. So I want the candlesticks to be on. So let's go back to trading. So I'm going to be setting this up one step at a time. Trading from the chart, no, I think I've done this one. I'm going to go to scale, no, data. So we're going to be offering this volume, guys, so I don't want to be seeing these sorry guys, so I don't want to be seeing this volume of the chart. I don't want to take it off my screen, so I actually don't like it, so I'm going to be taking it off. I'll go to colors. So yeah, I want to be setting up my kind. I want the charts to be looking white, so the background to be looking white. So guys, look clean. We have a clean, nice white looking background. For the sake of this, let's just be going with the black color, okay, but I prefer actually going with white, so please let's just stick with the white color. So guys, we have our clean, nice looking chart now. So basically we also want to be having our basic technical tools. Okay, so majority of us that are actually trading, you must have known the basic technical tools we use on the trade line, Fibonacci, a lot of trading tools that you're actually going to be using. So I'm going to be showing you how to set those up too as well. So you're going to be going to this section over here too. You're going to be clicking on this. Okay, so you're going to be clicking on the trade line. So we're going to also add it to our favorite bar. Okay, so we can now actually going to be going back here to actually set it up a little longer. So we're going to be adding this to favorite. We're going to be adding trade line to favorite. We're going to be adding what again. So I basically use trade line, Fibonacci. I use up arrows. So basically, if you have this trading view before, it's not as complete as it is. So I use the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is a very great tool to use. There's a lot of tools that we can actually use. So I'm kind of like, I don't think there is long position calculator right here, but these are the basic tools that we can actually get. So we have the oval trading tool, we have the curve, then we have the arc. So I'm done with this. Okay, so I basically just need these 5 technical tools. So I'm going to be taking this back. Okay, so we have the trade line, we have the up arrow, and we have the Fibonacci retracement. So these are the 3 basic technical tools I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So if you want to draw a trade line, just click on the trade line, go to this section here. You can actually plot the trade line. You can have a nice looking trade line. So I don't like the way the trade line is. I'm not changing the trade line color. I'm going to right click on this, Yeah, so I'm gonna let's click. I'm gonna go back to this section over here. I'm gonna click in on this to change it to black color. Then I want to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so I'm gonna click on settings here. Then I'm gonna click on styles. I'm gonna increase the thickness of my thread line. Okay, guys. Yeah, so I have a very nice looking thread line. So I'm gonna close it. I want it to be thicker. Okay. Yeah, I mean this is nice, guys. I like this. So we'll click on this. So we have our nice looking thread line. Okay, so yeah, you can actually plot a trend line the way you want it to be. Okay, so you can use it to plot your support and resistance. You can just do this. So let's do some quick analysis, guys. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, you can actually let's click on it. You can, yeah. So wait, I thought you can be able to clone this, but let me see if it can be cloned just like TradingView. It can be cloned. Okay, we're gonna do more again. So I'm gonna click on that again and taking more trade line again, then clone it from here. So we have, guys, I'm trying to do some analysis here. So I mean that's it for the trade line. So that will take much of a time. So let's just quickly go through majority of the options we have on this top hand corner here. So basically you're gonna switch time frame. You're able to go to this section here where you see this 1 little m. Okay, so this is the 1 minute time frame. So you want to switch, you're gonna if you're a multiple time frame trader, you want to switch over time frames, you can actually go to the section here. So it's giving the option to switch between multiple time frames. So we're going to be using the monthly time frames. Okay, so this is how the monthly chart actually looks like. Kind of looks like an actually bearish market at the moment. So AU, EUR, UD, USD is actually in a bearish market. I mean it's kind of the trend basically falls back to 2018. It's not really giving us way down to the 90s. Not really passes to good data that we can actually rely on. I mean, but it's what it is, guys. So basically, you're going to switch time frame. You can also use this option to switch within time frames. Yeah, so this is where the basic technical tools are being shown. Okay, so I want to access them without actually going to this bar over here. Then you want to share your screenshot with charts. Let's say you want to share a screenshot with your chart with your team members or your traders in your team. And I want to go to this section to take a snapshot and try to download the chart images, and yeah, you have that. So if you want to open positions, okay, guys, so you want to place in some trades. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, this is the 5-minute time frame. So let's say you want to, let's say the trend of the markets. Okay, this kind of looks like we are in an uptrend. Okay, so I'm going to be buying this pair. I'm going to be buying this. So I'm going to be clicking on this position here. I'm going to be buying it 5 low. So you want to buy any currency pairs, guys, you need to go to this section here. You can put in your lot size. So let's say you want to buy USD for 5 lots. You're gonna put in 5 lots. I mean, this is a demo account, guys, so basically I can buy any lot as I want, but this is where your account is going to be. Okay, so if you want to log in, this way you want to log in case you want to log in and you're able to log out of your account. So this is section. So this place where my cursor is, you can be able to locate where you can actually log in and actually log out of your account. Look at it here, guys. So this is a demo account, not really real money. So at this top hand corner here, it's also going to show you your balance. Okay, your balance, your equity, your profits, and your loss and your use margin. Okay, so I mean basically you can see the options. You have the charts, you have the positions, and you have the watch list. So you can have whatever pairs assets you want to add to your trading watch list. Okay, whatever currencies you want to add, you can add them. So I'm going to be going them one step at a time. So let's place in some trades. Okay, so I'm going to be buying Euro USD now. So you can select and click on buy. Once I'm putting my lot, so if I want to sell, I'll click on sell. If I want to buy, I'll click on the buy button, and you can see it's telling me Euro USD. So I'm going to buy it for 5 lots, market order. So I want it to be instant execution. So we have the limit, we have the stop, and we have the OCO. I'm going to be clicking on So I'm going to buy it for 5 lots. Okay, so let's quickly buy this trade for 5 lots. Okay, so I'm clicking on send order. So guys, as you can see, guys, I am in this trade. So I'm bullish on USD, guys. So so this is how you get in the trade. So you want to manage your positions, and I want to go check out this section over here. You can see I'm in loss of about -$60. So the loss is counting, guys. My equity is down about 99. $100,000 and my balance is $100,000. This is a demo testing, so this is how you basically able to execute and able to place trades on DxTrade. So if you want to know how to close a trade on, let's say you want to close out the position on DxTrade, you can just go to charts. So you click on position over here, you can see the top and close over here, so you can see our trade currently running in loss. So we're in loss about $160 in loss. 5 lots open, no USD buy. Then this is how we're able to manage our trades. Okay, you want to close out the trade, you can also right click on your cursor, then you want to modify the position. Okay, you want to add stop loss. Okay, so you can add a stop loss. Click on the stop loss here, click on it here, because if you don't click on this blue tick here, you can't be able to add in your stop loss. Click on stop loss. Okay, hiding your price. You want any pips? Okay, you can add it in pips if you want to, and this makes it even more unique than MT4. Okay, so MT4 you can't be able to, MT5 or meta quote you can be able to add your stop loss in pips. I mean, if you can do that, but basically I've never seen that before. But on meta quote you can actually do that. Just imagine, guys, I can add my stop loss in pips, or you can add it in price. Okay, you can put in your stop loss here, put in your take profit tool as well. You can click on modify position. You can see, guys, so I have my stop loss somewhere about here. Then if I want to close this trade, I can click on close trade. Okay, so I can click on close this account. So let me click on close. I'm currently closed. So guys, I can click on close position. Guys, that's how you go about executing trade and placing trade on DxTrade. Guys, I kind of like find this platform more user friendly. I mean got a lot of features I actually enjoyed using here. So guys, these are you going to be able to play. I think we have done with how to place trade, how to set up the basic technical tools. So if you want to do that, you can just check this section here, click on tools. You have a lot of tools to play around with, how to place trade. You've actually done that. Basically, guys, there's nothing more serious to be able to do. So you're going to see your trading dashboard. Okay, it's going to tell you your potential, average, daily nets, potential profit and loss, total profit and loss. So it's more like it starts on your basically winning trades and your losing trades. You got a trading journal here. So I've not basically used this before, but if you know how to use it, you can just play around with it. But I think that's not really necessary, because majority of what you're going to be doing on DxTrade is just to execute trade and close trade. Okay, so we got the technical analysis here. So you want to analyze multiple charts, you can do this here, guys. So this is a multiple time frame analysis where you get to see different multiple assets on different time frames within your specific screen. So if you want to do this on trading view, you can't do this unless you have a bigger monitor, but you can do this here on DxTrade. So I can put this to 15-minute time frame, then I can switch this to the 1 hour time frame, then I can put this to the daily time frame, the 4 hour, then I can take this to the daily time frame. So guys, I can analyze multiple charts on a single screen, but I don't want to do that. I mean, it's kind of like it's too congested with a lot of indicators, charts. I don't actually like, so I don't think this is actually necessary, but I'm taking this off. I actually prefer having 2 charts in my screen. I think I'm okay with this. I prefer like this. You can just play around with it if you really want to. If you like it, it's up to you guys. Basically, so we can want to know more about your account. If you want to log in, so you can log in multiple accounts. If you want to log into, just click on this section over here. So just click on here, you can open a live account. I'm using demo, guys, so whatever platform you're using, I'm gonna give you your login details. You to log in your DxTrade account, so you can go in here and click it. So if you want to change the color, so if you're not the kind of trader who don't like this dark color, you can actually switch into the light theme. So you kind of like give you this option, but I don't really like these guys. It's kind of like affecting my eyes. So I'm gonna be taking it out. If you want to log out, click on the section, you'll be able to log out. And we also want to check in your account statement, so it's going to give you like a report on your history of your trades. So this is kind of a setting your broker actually gives you, but DxTrade actually does that role for you. So when you click on account settings, guys, so it's going to tell you it's going to give you data on all the trades you have in place, either winning trades or losing trade. So we're going to click on today, we're going to click on generate statements. It's going to give us an option to be able to download this report. So we have this report to download. You can click on it here. Let me open the report and let me show you guys how it looks like. So okay, so you can see my account statement. So I had $100,000 trade. So I this is demo account. So $100,000 trade. Then basically this is how it looks like. So let me just have a look. Let me scroll down a little bit. Yeah, so this is my balance chart. I had it was about $100. Yeah, so yeah, you can see guys. So this is USD. So this is my account statement, the result of the trade I've placed so far. So guys, I think this is one of the most simplest tutorial I ever find about DxTrade online on the internet right now, and I hope you guys find this video very helpful, guys. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be also making another tutorial video on how to execute trade on DxTrade using the mobile version. So this is for the PC version. The mobile version, I'm going to be making that video as soon as I'm making this one out, and I'm going to put in the link in the video description whenever you see this video out, guys. So thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, and give me thumbs up, more like a support for making this video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Till I see my next video. Peace.